Stop, stop.
Phil, stop. Phil, get away. Phil, Phil, Phil. Phil, get over here. Stay under.
Yeah, just
put your head under, you idiot.
Put your head under. You can see your head.
Did you guys put the step on it. That was a freaking new bag and it's all gone because of the new pig.
Go under. Stay under, Jack.
You're covering your head.
There's something that dropped. Look, try to like do this, Nick, with your feet. Because I buried some, so I was afraid they're gonna come by me.
Here, hold on to that.
Stay under.
Dad, can we please go back to the car and I want to get something else to eat because someone ate all my chips.
Okay, wait.
It's a cigarette.
Dad, can we please go back?
We will.
Here.
I'm going back alone?
No! Oh! Oh my God! He got it!
Did you get one? Let it go!
Take it! Hurry up! Hurry up!
Let it go!
Oh, it's dead! Kill this
Let it go.
Oh my God!
You leave us alone! You leave us alone!
Oh, we should have cooked it.
That was sick. We gotta put that on YouTube. Straight on YouTube right now.
That's how we do.
That was so sick.
I saw someone catch a seagull.
Here, let's get me, Nick, and Justin.